The boho maxi-skirt with a gathered flowing silhouette with a V-shaped seam that adds detail, giving it a vintage cottage core aesthetic, can be dressed up or down, making it a closet staple. Hi, I'm Ruby, a self-proclaimed fashion designer. Welcome back to my channel. So grab your scissors and your fabric and let's get started with today's tutorial. With our fabric on fold right sides touching, we are going to mark down our hip to floor measurement, adding 2 inches for seam allowance, and then across we are going to mark the hip measurement times 2. We're going to mark down about 3.5 inches and then cut the fabric at an angle, creating a bit of a deep V. And then we're going to cut another piece that's exactly the same as the first one for the back of the skirt. Now cutting for the top part of our skirt, I'm going to be using these 2 pieces because my fabric is low-key running out. So I'm going to have the fabric on fold right sides touching and then make sure that the width of the fabric is more than my hip measurement, and then I'm gonna mark my waist to crotch and then transfer my hip measurement to the other side and cut in a slant that connects the hip measurement to the crotch point. Taking our rectangle piece, putting right sides touching with the front piece of the top part of the skirt, we're going to pin it down and sew along the edge, and then we're going to do the same for the back part of the skirt. Taking our lower skirt, we're going to do a loose stitch to gather the fabric together. And we're going to do this for the back piece of the skirt as well. We're going to be attaching the top part of our skirt with the bottom part. Now we have gathered the fabric to be the same length as the bottom piece, V cut over there, as you can see. And then we're just going to have them right sides touching and pin it down and then sew a straight line. Now after putting our zip on, we are going to be putting the other side together so you can fit it on yourself to see where you should mark down your waistline and make it smaller. But we're just gonna basically pin the sides together and sew a straight stitch. To hem the skirt, I overlocked around the bottom of the skirt, and I'm just going to be doing a simple fold over and a top stitch. So I'm going to be using my foot to measure how much I'm folding, or you can use a half an inch to mark down yours. I love how the skirt turned out. Let me know what you guys think and stay tuned for next week to see how I make the matching top.